Here's how to register with APLGO and place your first order in 9 easy steps. Step 1. Go to the sign-up page. Make sure the sponsor ID reads 787262. That's your Get Well Africa team link. Enter your name, ID, email, and phone. Tick the terms, then click Continue. Step 2. You'll land on your APLGO back office main page. This confirms your account is live. Step 3. Open Shop, then Online Store. Tick I want to become an associate to unlock wholesale prices and choose your country. Step 4. Fill in your delivery name, street, city, suburb, province, and postal code, then click Continue. Step 5. Choose your starter associate access at 375 Rand, plus any Go kits you want. Step 6. Scroll to the daily collection. Pick GRW for immunity, NRN for blood sugar, RLX for calm and sleep, GTS for energy. One tap adds it to your order. Step 7. Choose your payment method, then continue. Step 8. Review your order. Prices include VAT, plus a small shipping and handling fee. Step 9. On PayFast, choose the top option, credit and check card, and complete your payment. Your order is placed. Need help? WhatsApp me on 079-083-1530. Welcome to APLGO with Get Well Africa.